Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I am doing my first ever skincare routine video. So some of you have been requesting me to do my skincare routine. I guess you've been noticing that my skin has been glowing and is clearing up, so I decided to go ahead and film this video for you so I can show you guys what I've been using. And the products that I've been using are like super affordable. Most of them are South African owned companies. I will link everything in the description box below. About my skin, I am combination skin. I am mostly oily on my T-zone, and my cheeks do get like really dry. So I was never really like a skincare person. I used to just wash my face in the shower using like a sunlight green bar. After that, I would just moisturize with the same moisturizer that I still use now. So I would say like for the past 4 or 5 months, since like the beginning of lockdown, like the beginning of quarantine, that's when I started to like get into skincare, like watching a lot of Hiram, and yeah, like trying to find products that work for my skin. I've tried a lot of products, and also like I discovered that my skin is actually sensitive to fragranced products, so I don't use any of those anymore. I used to use those and I used to break out a lot, but I was not really paying attention. But now I have done my research. I know what works for me, and these are the things that works for me. So yeah, let's get started. So to cleanse my face, I use raw African black soap, which looks like this. So I get mine from a company called Nubian Roc. So they have like this raw African black soap. This is the one I use to cleanse my face. It's amazing. Like, it just cleans everything and it makes my skin feels amazing. And ever since I started using it, I've noticed like a reduction when it comes to like my discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and also like my pimples. I don't really get a lot of cystic pimples anymore. It's mostly just like blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get like a good lather of my African black soap, like so. And I use my hands. I don't use like any brushes. So I've noticed that with like a spinning brush, I was actually doing like a lot more damage to my face. And this soap is really good. Like, it exfoliates your skin. Like, it just leaves my skin feeling clean and glowy. So I just go ahead and do like the 60 seconds rule. So I just like rub it in for about 60 seconds, and then in between I like to wet my hands and go back in and just massage it onto my face. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my face with warm water. When I do wear makeup, I first remove it with the Garnier micellar water. That's what I use to remove my makeup. But I don't really wear makeup all the time, so most of the time just like this. And after washing my face, I go ahead and do a mask. I only do this mask like twice a week. I don't do it every day. And the mask that I'm currently using is this Calcium Bentonite Clay by a brand called Argan Green, and this mask is for purifying, detoxifying, and exfoliating. And I use this mask with Apple Cider Vinegar, and this one is by Nature's Choice. I got it from Discam. And if you're using ACV for a face mask, make sure that it has Bee Mother. And once I have like the right consistency, I go ahead and apply it on my face using this brush. And this is like the old Real Techniques concealer brush. The Body Shop, and this one is a calming toner. It's actually formulated for sensitive skin. After using this mask and the African black soap, my face becomes like really dry, and this just like hydrate my skin. It doesn't leave like that white cast. It's like light, it's non-greasy. My makeup just goes smoothly on top of this. And yeah, so this is what I use in the morning. I mix the two like half, and then I just apply it on my face. So like I said to you guys, I've only been doing this for about 4 or 5 months. I wasn't really into like skincare. I never used to do a lot up until like recently. So I will update you guys maybe after 3 months to like show you guys how my skin is doing. And yeah, so this is how my face looks when I go to sleep. And I just go ahead and moisturize my lips with like the Vaseline lip therapy, and I go to bed. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and don't forget to enable your notification bell so you don't miss new videos from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.